In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Logitech G923 to Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Logitech G923 is fully compatible with any Xbox console. You just need to make sure that you purchase the correct model. So there are two main models of the Logitech G923. One of them is designed for PlayStation consoles and the other one for Xbox. So, of course, if you want to use it on an Xbox One, you need to make sure that you have the Xbox model. You can tell by the Xbox logo being a button on the controller. As long as you have the Xbox model, you will be good to go. So all that you have to do is unbox the steering wheel, set it up with any pedals or shifters that might be included, and using the provided USB cable, just plug it into any of the available USB ports on your Xbox One console. As long as the console is turned on and you plug it into any of the available ports, it is going to get automatically recognized and designated as a valid controller. So now you can navigate through the menus using the D-pad and the buttons, and you can go into any game that has steering wheel support. Immediately upon choosing the option to play the game, you will be able to go over to the settings, navigate through all of the menus, and choose steering wheel as the controller type that you want to use. You will be able to change the sensitivity, force feedback, and other attributes of the steering wheel to your preference, and of course you can drive around using it. Now, all that you have to do, like I said, is unbox it and plug it into any of the available USB ports. As long as you are playing a game that has native support, such as Forza Horizon 5, it is going to work natively. If you go into a game that doesn't have native support, it simply is not going to work. An example would be GTA. But as long as you connect it properly, you chose a game that has native support, you go into the settings and you select steering wheel as the controller type or the input method, you will be good to go to play any game with the Logitech G923. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Logitech G923 for Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.